Style your hair into waves with a messy bun and an added 90s twist. Start with waved hair. You can use the Straight Curl Brilliance and create a soft bend in the midsection. Wrap the hair around the housing, leaving the ends loose, and hold it in the hair for 5 to 10 seconds. With a centre part, take a section on either side of the ears, twist and clip out of the way. Create a ponytail section on the top of the head to create a top knot. On the last rotation, don't pull the hair all the way through to create the bun. Create 2 plaits in the front sections, plaiting forward over the face, flip over and secure with a pin into the base of the bun. Repeat on the other side. Take the ends of the ponytail, wrap it around the top knot and secure with a pin. Use a few more pins to further secure the style and add your personal touch. Stretch the plaits with your fingers for a textured, messier finish. And that's how you create a messy top knot with an added 90s twist.